Hello guys, today we are going to show you how to reassemble the desktop computer. First we have to remove two screws here and here. So I will remove this. How to shake the cover like this, and we have to remove two screws. Before we have to remove that side cover also, another side cover also. And we have to remove all the cables. It is cable out. This is audio and USB, and we have to remove this power switch and HDD cable. We have to mark it whatever expression, and we are removing the SATA cables and power supply. And power cable. We have to remove this screws. See, 1, 2 and 3 here, 4, 5, 6 screws. We have to remove it. We just remove the screws. You can see it here, and we are going to remove the motherboard out. Take it out, and we have to remove this hard disk 2 screws. Before we are removing the screw, we have to unplug the hard disk. We are taking the hard disk. We have to remove DVD writers. The DVD writer have 4 screws, 2 for this side, another 2 for other sides. We have to remove another side cover, and we have to remove that 2 screws. Better before removing the screw, unplug the cable. I forgot. Okay, and we have to remove the power supply. You can see this side cover, and you can see this side 2 screws. For the DVD writer. Now you can take it out from the front side DVD writer. And this power supply have 4 screws, 2, 3, 4, and get out. better to keep down. You can see the screws type with power supply and back cover, side cover have different screws, and DVD writers and hard disk have different screws. Like this type of screw for side cover and power supply, this type of screw for DVD writers and hard disk. You can take out the power supply, and that's it. Okay, thank you for watching. You can remove this display, a SATA cable. Don't forget to like and subscribe, then only maybe we can do it something more for you.